Just another day, gonna move my car. Oh, what's this?
Oh, I can't.
We buy junk.